ugly ass Integra is that? What the fuck?
Welcoming gift to my boy Alex and the guys in the shop. All of us can price. But yeah, all of us can sleep on this bitch.
Yep, pretty much.
If you wanted to. We gonna put it right here. That's the vision. You see those trannies, those blocks, take that off, put it on the racks. Have a little more space.
Getting ready for the meet. What up? About to go fucking ham today. Might blow my clutch. Kevin has to change it.
Oh fuck.
Huh?
It's good.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, attempt number 4. We might actually get it this time. Do something cool! Alright, burnout box right here.
The water.
Right there, you're in the water. What did we find here, Eric?
2 cracked sleeves, V20, it was built. They're pretty weak.
Right there, both sides. Now
we're going with the JDM V20. V20B.
ooh, JDM?
Rings, and we're gonna slap some of these rods and pistons into this one.
Rebuilt for the customer. That shit got fucked. Oh, look who it is. We're finally back. We got it on the stand. We got to take this bitch apart.
Stand. Got it on the stand.
That's what I said.
You said stand?
We got it on the stand. Oh shit, what's happening over here?
We're gonna got it on the stand.
Fuck y'all, right? Alright guys, we got the pistons out. Now we're gonna hone this out because we got a little nasty in there. Right, Kevin? We'll swap the pistons over. It should be good.
Okay, Eric got absolutely nothing done yesterday. All we need to do is take his head off, put the other one on that's over there, sitting over there, the stock one. We should have it running by tonight and hit the meets. Alright, we got all this taken off. Get the timing belt, got the pulley off. Eric, all he had to do was take his damn cooling line off. It's over there on the phone.
Although on this side,
Wait.
we got a lot of progress. We got these honed out, looking smooth. We got the tranny off. So this is pretty much disassembled. I'm gonna take the pistons off. Right here, we're taking out the main caps. They're pretty nice rods actually. I-beams. What you doing over there, man? Any progress?
Yeah, we got a bunch of people standing over here now. Well, Eric is still standing around. We got some more hands on deck. And Eric is just watching. Are we almost done, Kevin?
Almost. Halfway there.
Just better be in by tonight for that private meet.
This one was a what? 25-pound B20s V stock block with what do you have?
Bill, what are you talking about? Stock block.
Oh, okay.
It's stock block, bro.
The block, yeah, the block
pistons
is.
and rods are built, bro.
Yeah, it has good piston rods. It had.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
All it had was a block card. A block card. Stock cylinders, stock everything, right?
Stock bolts.
Stock bolts. yeah.
All right, we're out here rebuilding this head right now. Give it a good smack, man.
There we go.
So this is what we got right here. Man, what do you think about these valves, bro?
I think they're like a Michael Jackson, like.
Look at that. Whoosh. They're all coming out fucking bent. Literally all of them came out bent.
Probably been on 16 valves. All right.
Come on, man.
It's just so fucked, like.
All right, man. We're gonna get this head dialed in.
Yeah.
We could do some brainouts.
And go to Applebee's, and then we can bend some more.
Who's taking you to Applebee's?
You?
Yeah, I'll take you to Applebee's.
You played yourself, bro.
So we gave we gave him one spring and retainer, so it looks like he's doing something. This guy's he's been complaining the whole time though.
Saying, let me do something, let me do something.
Take me to Applebee's then.
We're almost done with this head, so I can take you to Applebee's.
Damn, he's got jokes, guys. Fuck the fuck out.
I already got paid before.
Ooh.
You already erased me. Why not we lined it up?
He's sucking that shit right now.
For real.
He's fucking pissed.
You know what, bro? When I race you, bro, I'm just gonna bump it up to 18 PSI, bro. And that's gonna be my last run. But I'ma still gap him, bro. And then after that, he can't gap me no more.
Just to
I
not
won't
lose.
run no more.
Don't be scared.
90 foot-pounds, guys. According to Kevin. According to Kevin.
You said 30, 60, 90, so we're gonna send it to 90. We might do 100. I don't know.
90.2, you went over, fool.
Damn, man.
That's just blowing for sure. That's just leaking water. Fucking all kinds of shit.
Look at man's face, bro.
83? Just give it another fucking tour with. Go ahead.
Now you go ahead.
If it's fucked, it's fucked. What you gonna do?
Man, start recording.
Well, you might record here. What do you mean, fucking Chewy? It's not me. What do you mean? Don't fucking blame me for this shit. It's Kevin's shit. The fuck, bro? No, yeah, just leave it like that, bro. No. It's a torque guy that's fucking.
No, give it.
Oh, what the fuck? Start over, I guess.
TV.
Take it off. Fortunately, there was no meat last night. Got man the chef over here, though.
But there is meat over here.
Look at that. Ooh, man. What you doing over here, man?
Yeah, we got the whole shop set up now.
Look at that. PS5, TV. What are we gonna watch?
No need to go home no more.
You just need your bed now, man.
Watching the Chiefs walk it home.
Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Nothing too crazy. They didn't meet, but we went pretty late. And yesterday, I guess I hosted a private meet. Then it started snowing, so we didn't end up going. But maybe next week, it should be good for lots of runs. Tweak the tune a little bit. I'm gonna throw some more goodies on. Not new, but used, that will definitely help us. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll catch y'all next time.